We are at Mortdale now, really hungry, and we're gonna look for some good lunch options. I always wanted to try some Sri Lankan food. Today is very cold, so that's the opportunity for me to try the spicy Sri Lankan street food. So let's go.
Kothi roti is popular and roast palm is also popular.
Kothi roti is stir-fried veggie with curry sauce.
Yeah.
And served with naan or something?
No.
Served with what?
It's a curry sauce and a kothi roti. It's a kind of paratha. We chop it out and mix with the vegetables.
Okay. So I'll have this one.
Yeah.
And now I ordered some masala tea. I'm gonna have it first. And I can't wait, guys. So I have the masala tea. There's no sugar there. I like it. Full of flavor. There's the hoppers, they call it. This is not something that I've ever tried before. I'm gonna get in the kitchen now and see what the chef is doing. Let's go. Hi.
Hello, good, thank you.
So what are you making now?
So I'm going to make your kothi roti.
Thank you very much.
Beetroot curry. So also flour curry. And we got some bitter melon. So this one has anchovy. That is an anchovy.
Sure.
That's fish curry. And then so the Thai corn. So I just make some special kale sambal as well.
Kale sambal.
Yeah. So this is all condiments. Pineapple, coconut sambal, mango chutney.
Sure. Thank you so much. So as you can see, I have a variety of mouth-watering dishes. They're really nice, actually. It's a radish and fish curry. Very unusual, isn't it? Let me try it. It's a bit fishy, quite spicy as well. So if you like spicy and fishy, that's the one. Bitter melon. Each one of them are really good. So guys, that's the final one, which is Sri Lankan street food. A little bit on the spicy side, but really nice. So that's the sweet hoppers, so made up with like coconut and palm sugar. It's like a dessert, like Sri Lankan street food. So let's give it a try. Very nice. Just by the Mortdale station. If you haven't tried Sri Lankan food before, you must give it a crack. And if you don't like too much spicy, just tell them they will make it mild version. So you have opportunity to have authentic Sri Lankan food at the Railway Cafe, Mortdale.